Yes.
Isa pong napakagandang pelikula.
Alam mo, Inay and Belle, we just also want to announce that we're actually trending on X right now. We are trending 3 hashtags. Hashtag the MGB poster launch and hashtag Belle Mariano. With Inay and Belle. I know that this is a family drama, so kamusta po yung bonding moments ninyo as Facunda family dito sa movie na to?
I feel so blessed kasi ang daming mga artista, pero parang ano nilang tignigan kung sino yung magiging kasama mo sa pelikula. Number 1 si Piolo. Sobrang galing nila at saka malalalim na artista itong mga nagsama ko. Kaya sabi ko, ang sarap no, ang sarap umarte pag ang gagaling din sa mga eksena mo. Grabe talaga sila. Ang galing at saka well-disciplined, punctual, tapos professional sila lahat. Ganun. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa. At ito yung bonding na parang ano, yung hindi na nakatanggal. Yung parang malala pa sa linta.
Thank you so much for sharing that, Inay. Ikaw naman, Bill, para mo nagkaroon ng isa pang pamilya. Para ko nadagdagan ng mga kuya and mama. And sobrang swerte ko na mga trabaho silang lahat. Siyempre, ang husay nila. And to be able to work with the Diamond Star. Parang sa experience na to, sobrang nakaka-excite kasi ang dami kong natutunan and at the same time, yung mga natutunan kong yun along the way, na-apply ko siya sa mga eksena namin. So, sobrang grateful talaga ako sa pelikula ito. Yes, grabe, we are so excited. I also want to know, I think first time nyo to work together, how was the experience po? Go ba yung experience?
Pag-ambang niya kasi, diba, puro lalaki mga anak ko. Dito nga ba naging tatlo, pero sa totoong buhay, 2 lalaki. Pero wala akong girl, di ba? Kaya, yung prinsesita dito, alam mo na. O, di ba? Baby girl siya ni mama.
So, favorite, di ba?
Oo.
Yun sa TV na po. Ito ko naman po, wala akong mga kuya. Siyempre, so nakakatuwa.
Nagkaroon ka lang po, para makita ng kasama. Kasi may kulang sila, dito naman ako kulang. Di ba?
Talagang yung bonding namin sa set, nadadala namin, alam namin, babaunin namin, kahit tapos na yung shoot namin, alam kong pamilya pa din kami. Ang family talaga yung
hindi na kami mabubuan.
Yes, the Facundos.
The Facundos.
Diba? And not only are they gonna, like what they said, not only are they a family in the movie, but also in real life na rin. So we are so excited for this. And syempre, Inay and Belle, we just watched the teaser just a minute ago. How did you guys feel sa teaser na yun? Di ko alam po kung maiiyak po ba tayo or are we gonna feel euphoria after the movie? I'm not sure, pero in just a little bit, we will know. And syempre, you guys will find out kung maiiyak ba kayo or will you feel happy after beginning on November 12, 2025. Kaya naman, of course, with our Diamond Star and Gen Z Superstar, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Ito na, Mama Baby and Jerry, are you ready for our first reveal of the night? Let's all watch this.
okay, rest muna kasi mag-set up sa kabilang angulo. Ay, kami, tawa ng tawa. Parang ko nung kasi naulo.
Yung sa cellphone ng
Parang tapos pagbalik namin, iiyak na naman kami ulit. Nakakagulat, diba?
Yes po.
Tapos sabi ko, alam mo, matatapos itong pelikula ito kasi naulo natin. Ayaw, di ba? Ayaw, di ba? Sabi ko, wala nga, sila naulo natin.
Yung isa't isa.
For sure.
Pero syempre, nakakatuwa na nabuo na namin yung proyekto and maabangan na natin lahat.
Yes. So parang mas makikita nyo yung chemistry nyo dito sa poster dahil patapos na yung film when you guys shot this. But in Inay and Belle, we have another surprise for you. Meron pa! Okay, ito. Okay, so we have a live drone now. This is the digital official poster, but our live drone is now at Eugenio Lopez Drive for the live EL of me. Panoorin po natin ang live drone. Okay, let's wait for it. Ito, ayan na. We see the live drone here, but let's have it flashed as well dito. We are so excited. Yan! Okay, ito na. Let's have the ELJ billboard reveal in 3, 2, 1. Oh, diba? Okay. Go! Oh, sabi na nila, go! Okay, let's wait for it. Grabe. Oo, humangangin ko ata. Pero I feel like dito, ayun! Yes. Grabe. Anong nafe-feel nyo, Belle and Inay, with this? Finally, your poster is out in the public every time we pass by the ABS-CBN compound. Makikita na natin ang meet, greet, and wine.
Ating mga posters at yung ating pag-promote, di ba? Maraming salamat.
Go, Belle.
Feeling ko ako, tuwing dadaan ako sa dyan, feeling ko mas ma-excite ako sa November 12. Diba? Nakakatawa na nakikita natin siya dyan.
We're so excited. Again, guys, our official poster of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Now, meron pa po tayong isa pang surprise. Yes! Tatlo po!
Susunod na surprise, i-cash nyo na lang.
Yeah! I-cash nyo na lang po yung next surprise. I love it. Okay. Inay and Belle, are we ready? This is the most iconic part of the night. We have here again a live drone right outside the ELJ building. Kaya, okay, let's have our ELJ building drone in just a little bit. Ayan. Okay. Kasi, ayun na! This is our ELJ building. Live na live po ito. And I think Inay and Belle, if you can count down with me in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, the iconic ELJ building is officially lit up for Meet, Greet, and Buy. We all know that this happens in Inay and Belle kapag super mega milestone for ABS-CBN. So how do you feel po about this MGB live na live sa ELJ building?
Wala, naluka-luka na kami. So, kasi yung pagpupromote, di ba? At saka tulungan. Kaya maganda, masaya.
Kaya naman, Belle.
First time ko ata magkaroon ng movie na nalagay dyan na ganyan. Nakakatawa ko. Sobrang excited ako makita mamaya yan.
Oh my God.
Pupuntahan ko yan.
Yes, first time niyo din po ba? What?
First time.
Oh my gosh, guys, palakpakan po natin sila. It is their first time to have ELJ building lit up for their movie. Kaya this is a very special moment for you guys. And we're so excited for you guys to see it live na live. But ito pa, Belle and Inay, meron pa. Hindi pa tapos.
Dami ng surprise.
Meron pa pong isa pang reveal. This is our final reveal of the night. Kaya Belle and Inay, let's all watch this.
Mga kapamilya all over the world, welcome to meetgreetandbuy.com, your one-stop destination for everything about Meet, Greet, and Buy. Purchase tickets in advance, find nearby theaters, Stay updated on where you can catch the latest events for our movie around the world. Plus, get special access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes footage, cast interviews, bonus clips, and more. Stay connected and be part of the Meet, Greet, and Buy experience wherever you are around the world.